Guys, welcome back to another video. This here is Fire Alarm System Test 3. Today I'm going to be, this is System Test 3. I have the 4251-20 as usual. I'm going to try to get wire mode with this wire soon. Try to hide it and all that. Make it look better. Get wire mode for the house. I just got, and up here, I got the 49-390-101 with a 2901 9838 horn, as usual. Got a new exit sign up there. Another one, and another one back there that I installed. Down there I've been installed for about a few months. I have the 2099 2099 pole. It's double action. I have the 49-390-101 with the Faraday horn. They simply bought a ton of Faraday horns for these. So yeah. So 49-390-101 with a Faraday horn. It's normally a Faraday horn, so yeah. Now, I have another 4251-20. I have another Spectral Advanced. So, I'm going to install another pool like this outside and another alarm, an outdoor rated alarm. I might put a 2909, 2903, 9101 in my room whenever possible, whenever I get enough money to buy one. So, whenever we're ready, here we go. Dang it! Okay, so yeah, it was a fail. The power was disconnected. So let's go. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Okay, since this pole works, let's go over here and pull this one for a short time. Let's try this one. Okay, so now let's test the one in my room and we're going to finish this off. Okay, so let's do this one here. That is so low. I'm going to put that on mid-volume. Okay. Let's reset this. Okay. Now, since we got this done, I'm going to talk about a couple updates I might do with the system. I know I said I was not going to do any updates, but, you know, I'm not going to hardly move anything around. I'm just going to fix all these goofy wires. Make it, I'm gonna put wire mode, actual wire mode. And if I get a new house, I'm gonna actually do actual work. I'm gonna have to put this right here in the wall, but you know, try to get this fixed. See how it just falls. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get this fixed, but with that being said, this is the end of System Test 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and peace out.